how to update Blood Strike game to the latest version using your Android device. Hi everyone, welcome back to Crazy Gamer. If you are looking for a way to update your Blood Strike game and get the best out of the app, then here's how you can do it. First of all, make sure that your device is connected to a stable internet, and on your Android device, launch open Google Play Store. In the search bar appearing at the top, type in Blood Strike and search. Look for this application from NetEase Games, which should already be installed on your device. And then if you see an update button there, tap on update to get the latest version of Blood Strike downloaded. Once updated, open the game and it will run the newest version with the latest features and fixes. So that's it. Blood Strike game will now be updated to the latest version on your Android device. Now you can enjoy new events, skins, and improvements without issue. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next video. Stay tuned and thanks for watching.